Hello everyone and welcome to this very special video. We just hit 38,000 subscribers here in our YouTube channel, which is amazing, amazing. I still remember, guys, we started uploading more content here on our YouTube channel about 2 years ago. You can see it right here, 2 years ago. And this was the very first tutorial that I did. If you haven't seen it, go back into the channel, guys. We have over 800 videos here on the channel with tips, techniques, like processes, all of the things that you can imagine in order to create very cool props, characters, renders, everything. This is steampunk thing. It has been a huge success here for the channel. Look at that, 36,000 views. Oh, so yeah, I mean, we've gone through so many things, and one of my favorite things that we have discovered early on in the process was portfolio review. I don't remember which one was the first portfolio review, but we had a portfolio review, and ever since then, there we go, portfolio review #1. So ever since then, every single month we're doing a portfolio review, and we are gonna have a portfolio review this weekend. So if you guys want to submit, you can go down here to the description and join our Discord channel. We have a portfolio review section where you can drop your link, and a little bit of a message is always appreciated. And I'm gonna be reviewing them during the weekend. You can also go to the Google Drive folder that you're gonna find right down here in the description as well, and you can drop a folder there with your name and more information about that. So yeah, I mean, guys, 2 years of so many things. Remember the first Halloween special week that we had? That was a fun week right there. Look at that haircut. That was the old studio, by the way. We're now in a new studio, and very soon, I think if things go right, probably by October, November this year, I'm gonna be translating this to another section here in my house. So yeah. Things have been going really well, my friends. I would like to thank every single one of you. I know not everyone has been here from the beginning, but we've had so many people here, and it's always appreciated. 38,000 subscribers is a huge number. I'm hoping to get all the way to 40,000 subscribers by August, which is my birthday, so hopefully we'll be able to do it. Now, if you're seeing something here that looks interesting to you, like what about this? How to avoid imposter syndrome? Have you felt that anytime when you're working on 3D? Well, that's a look like a little bit of word of advice from me right there. We got Blender things, so there's so much content here in the channel. So yeah, feel free to check any of our videos, guys. Again, thank you very much for this. I really appreciate the support, not only me but all of the other instructors. We're all working very hard. We have 3 courses coming this month, one from me, one from Arash, and one from Daniel da Costa. So we're gonna have so much content this time around. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you want to keep supporting the channel, please don't forget to share, subscribe, leave us a little message down here in the comment section. And of course, if you want to support us even more, you can go and check this, guys, right here, all of the premium courses that are available through Skillshare, through Nexttut, through Skillshare, through Udemy, and through ArtStation. All of those places is where you can find all of this stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope to see great stuff for your portfolios this weekend. Again, you still have time to submit. If you're watching this video, I have still not recorded the videos, so you can still submit your stuff, and I'll be happy to review it. That's it for this time, my friends. I'll see you back on the next one. And again, thank you everyone for all of your support. I'll see you back on the next video. Bye-bye.